before going to the topic, I want to tell you some important things regarding Friday. Okay, today is Friday, so you know हमारे नबी हजरत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम जुम्मा के दिन कोई खास काम किया करते थे, ठीक है। और नबी पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने जो काम किए अपनी जिंदगी में, हम उनको कहते हैं सुन्नत, नबी पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का तरीका। तो आज फ्राइडे है ना, तो हमारे नबी हजरत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम क्या क्या किया फरमाया करते थे, क्या क्या किया करते थे फ्राइडे को? वेयर नाइस क्लोथ, साफ सुथरे अच्छे कपड़े पहनते थे। यूज परफ्यूम, परफ्यूम का यूज करते थे। हैव अ बाथ, ठीक है। शॉवर लेते थे। क्लिपिंग नेल्स, अपने नेल्स ट्रिम करते थे। एंड you people are, you are my dear students, you have to follow these good habits. Okay, next time when I will be with you, I will ask from you that किस किस ने मेरी बात पे को गौर से सुना और किस किस ने उस पे अमल किया, ठीक है। आपने नेल ट्रिम करने ऑन फ्राइडे, परफ्यूम यूज करनी है, साफ सुथरे कपड़े पहनने हैं और नहा धो के आपने नमाज पढ़नी है, ठीक है। सो कम टू द लेक्चर प्लीज। सो इट्स योर फर्स्ट क्लास ऑफ साइंस। So the topic is the human body and reference unit 1. So in this lesson you will learn about various parts of body outside and inside both. Okay, I will also tell you about 5 senses and their importance in our lives. Then I will tell you about the difference between sense organs and senses. Okay, I know that you are already familiar with these things, you already have learned, but in this lesson you will learn more about it. Okay, first of all I will give you 2 minutes. Bring your books and workbooks, hurry up. Bring your workbooks and books and keep your books and workbooks with you. Hurry up. You should have book in your hand. Show me your books. Very good, good students. Very good, good students. Okay, so I think you already have read the first unit. Okay, so come to page 4, book page 4. Open your book and come to book page number 4. I think सब books ले आए हैं, या थोड़ा और 1-2 मिनट और आपको दे दिए जाए? Okay. Very good. Show me your page 4. Very good, very good. Okay. So, students, we can see some parts of our body. We can see some parts of our body. You have given the picture in the book. There's a picture of boy. Yes. Okay. Now you have to just read with me. Eyes. Can you see the eyes? Nose. Mouth. Repeat it with me. Arms. Ear. Finger. Leg. Foot. Once again, we will go through with it. Okay? Once again, you will just read with me. Say eye, nose, mouth, arm, ear, finger, leg, foot. Okay, all of you can see these parts. Okay, show me your hands. Show me your hands. Very good. Touch your nose. touch your nose, touch your lips. Very good. So it means that you are familiar with the parts of body that you can see. But there are some parts of body that we can't see. Okay. So now come to book page number 5. Here are given some parts that we can't see. Okay. Here are given some parts that we can't see. Can we see the brain? No. Can we see the heart? Can we see the heart? No. Can we see the skeleton? Of course, no. And lungs? Definitely no. But they are present in our body and they are performing certain actions. बहुत सारे काम कर रहे हैं ना ये, ठीक है? Brainy things. What are the brainy things you do? Think. When you are thinking about colors, you are thinking about what to speak. Okay, brain से सोचते हैं ना, brain से, ठीक है? So brain helps us to think. And then we have heart. Okay, I know that you can feel the heartbeat, can't you? You can feel the heartbeat? Yes, when you put your hand on the sorry, when you put your hand on the left side of chest, you can feel the heartbeat. And skeleton. आप सबने देखा है ना skeleton? Yes. So आपने पिक्चर में देखा है, लेकिन हम इसको फील कर सकते हैं ना बेटा? When you just show me your hand and just press your finger with other hand and you feel the bones. You feel the bone? Yes, you feel the bone? Yes. So a skeleton is made up of bones. Okay? It is the framework of our body. इसी की वजह से बेटे हम straight खड़े रह सकते हैं, ठीक है? We can stand straight due to skeleton. ठीक है? Okay. So these are brain. Once you have to repeat with me. Say brain, heart, skeleton, lungs. Brain, heart, skeleton, lungs. These are the body parts that we can't see, but they are still performing their function. As you are having your school bag, when you come to school, teacher can't see what is inside your bag. मुझे नहीं पता कि लंच बॉक्स में क्या लाए हैं, या डायरी लाए हैं या नहीं लाए हैं, but when I see that it's break time, when I say it's break time, everybody quickly hurry up. They just open the lunch box and they are excited. Then we come to know that क्या है, ठीक है? So inside जब कोई चीज है तो वो उसका तो नहीं फील होता ना बेटे, लेकिन इसी तरह skeleton भी अपना function perform कर रहा है, and it is inside our body. So the next one, your senses. Okay. Dear students, humans have 5 senses. You already know what they are. Yes, I know that you already have idea about it. But what is the function of these senses? Why they are important? Okay, they are important because they help us understand the world around us. What is around us? What is here and there? What is in the class? What is at your home? What is here and there on the road and everywhere? ठीक है? They give you chance to learn about the surroundings. ठीक है? With the help of your eyes, you can see, isn't it? Eyes से हम देख सकते हैं. You can see using your eyes. And we can speak, we can taste, we can just hear sounds. ठीक है? जब different sounds सुनते हैं तो फिर हम सीखते हैं ना बेटे, ठीक है? So humans have 5 senses, and these all senses, they help us to learn about our world. Okay, they help us to learn about our world. ठीक है? Okay, the next one is, now I will tell you in detail about the senses. Okay? So, first of all, I am telling you, humans have 5 senses. How much? 5. Show me your hand and say 5. Say 5. Good. The first one is, what is the first one? See. Sight. Okay? Smell. Smell. Smell with nose. Hear with your ear. Taste with your tongue. Tasty and yummy. चीजें खाते हैं ना? तो कैसे पता चलता है? और कैसे मामा से कहते हैं आज मैंने ये खाना है, आज मुझे वो खाना है? How do you know about the taste? With your tongue. Then touch. ठीक है? When we say that don't play with sharp and pointed things, why do we say कि आप उसको टच करेंगे you will get hurt? उसको टच करने से आपको होगा ना कोई हॉट चीज है, कोई हॉट पॉट हो. Then these all senses help us to learn and they also protect us. Okay, so come to the next one. 5 senses. Number 1 is sight. Okay. Oh, so you are having your books in your hands? You are having your books in your hands? Yes, good student. Okay, on page 7, where it is written human have 5 senses. Human have 5 senses. And the first one is sight. The first one is sight. What is written here? You use your eyes for this one. You use your eyes for this one. What it means? It means that your eyes help you see. Okay? Sight जो सेंस है उसमें आपको हेल्प आउट करती हैं आईज. आईज के थ्रू हम देखते हैं. ठीक है? So let's see what the things that you see. Okay. We can see different colors. Isn't it? We can see different colors and shapes. Also, there are so many things that you can see with your eyes. Everything you can see with your eyes. Okay? Okay. We have, I have this picture here. You can see here is a picture of some clothes. When you go to market, you say, Mama, मुझे वो वाला color पसंद है. I want to buy that color. ठीक है? Pink. Girls होंगे pink. Boys says blue color. This. How do you know? How can you differentiate two colors? With your eyes. ठीक है? With your eyes. So, like we can say that, how do you know that elephant is a big animal and the mouse is a small creature? By looking in your eyes. Okay? So, the first sense is sight, and you learn about it that it helps us to see different objects, different colors, different things. Okay? You will remember it. I will ask questions after that. Okay? Okay, the next come sound. The next comes sound. Put finger on the book. Put finger wherever you are reading. So here is written, you use your ears for this one. You use your ears for this one. Very good. I can see you. Okay. So hearing, we hear different sounds bete through our ears. Think for 1 minute. What can you see through your eyes? Think for a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए सोचें कौन कौन से साउंड्स हैं जो आप सुनते हैं. Then I will tell you. Okay. So we hear different sounds. ठीक है? Singing of birds, ringtone of cell phones, doorbell sounds. There are so many other different sounds, bete, as bell sound. Okay, banging the door when it's blowing fast, then you can also hear the sound. When baby cries, you hear the sound, isn't it? But sounds can be soft or loud. Hmm? Sometimes when there is noise in the class and VP say don't talk, how does you know that this class is creating disturbance? Loud sound में इतनी आवाज शोर की बाहर जा रही होती है, ठीक है? So loud sound होती है, जैसे you have to think which sounds are loud. 2 minutes सोचिए आप. Vehicle sound, you know about how vehicles, there trucks, cars and buses, ठीक है? Horn sound जो होता है कार का बहुत sorry truck का, very loud. Sometimes we don't want to listen the loud sound. It never seems good to us. Then some soft sound like singing of bird. It's a very soft sound, okay, and we like it. We really like it. Okay. Then come to the next one. The next is taste. Put finger wherever you are now on taste on your book page 7. You use your tongue for this one. Tongue. How to pronounce? T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Okay, say with me. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Okay, this is a difficult word, that's why I'm telling you. You use your tongue for this one. You eat every day, you have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and you are always crazy about it. Sometimes you say, "आज मुझे ये नहीं खाना, मुझे वो नहीं खाना, मुझे chips खाने हैं, मुझे ice cream खानी है." Because you like it, ना? You like the taste. You like the taste of that thing. So, how do you know the taste? What is the taste of something? Through your tongue. Through your tongue. We taste things by using our tongue. So, we taste with our tongue. We can identify the taste as. अच्छा taste जो है, there are some things that are sweet. There are some things that are sweet. Sweets, candies, chocolates. So there are some things that are bitter. We don't just want to eat them directly. As lemon. Okay? There are some things that are salty. And lemon is so sorry. Then comes the next one. So our tongue tells us what taste the certain thing has. ठीक है? कि किसी चीज का टेस्ट कैसा है. जब किसी चीज का टेस्ट हमें अच्छा लगता है, we say we want more. We say we want more. ठीक है? जब कोई चीज नहीं अच्छी लगती, no, I don't want to eat it. मुझे ये नहीं खाना. मामा आज लंच पे मुझे ये लेके जाना है. टेस्ट अच्छा लगता है ना? We like this. Okay. So the next one is smell. Okay. Better read from here. Smell. You use your nose for this one. You use your nose for this one. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Very good. Okay. So, nose. नोज से क्या होता है कि हमें स्मेल का पता चलता है. ठीक है? विच इज द गुड स्मेल एंड विच इज द बैड स्मेल. ओके, आवर नोज इज responsible for identifying the smell of good, any good smell or bad. So whenever we smell something, our nose and brain works together. Do you know that? कि जब हम कोई चीज स्मेल करते हैं, देन हमारा जो ब्रेन है और हमारी नोज है वो इकट्ठे वर्क करते हैं. ठीक है? एंड हमें पता चलता है whether the smell is good or bad. There are some examples of good smell and bad smell. The good smell, perfume. Everybody likes perfume. What is present? Yes? You like? You like the smell of flowers? Yes. So and the bad smell, garbage. Oh my god, the garbage smell is very bad. We don't want to stay at the place where we see garbage. तो garbage वैसे फेंकना तो नहीं चाहिए ना, ठीक है? We don't we shouldn't throw things here and there and we don't create mess. ऐसा है? So ये garbage जो क्लास में भी हम फेंक देते हैं, paper wrappers and at home as well. So we shouldn't do it. हमें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए एंड आपने ऐसे नहीं करना, ठीक है, ताकि स्मेल नहीं होगी, फिर आपकी नोज जो है उसको बैड स्मेल नहीं आएगी, ठीक है? जहां भी आपको लगे कोई एक्स्ट्रा पेपर, वेस्ट पेपर, व्हाटएवर द एक्स्ट्रा थिंग इज दैट, ट्रैश बिन में डालें, प्रॉपर वे में उसको करें, ठीक है? So bad smell like smoke from vehicles, car, buses and that's and garbage. So nobody wants bad smell. Nobody wants. And oh, there is another function of this good smell. Sometime you enter home, when you just go back home from school, you enter and say, "Wow, Mama ne aaj biryani banai hai." Isn't it? How do you know? Due to smell of the meal. So our nose tell us this about smell. Our nose just differentiate between smells there, whether it is good or whether it is bad. Okay, the next come, touch. So here is written, you use your fingers, toes and other parts of your body for this one. You use your fingers, toes and other parts of your body for this one. Okay, how do we know that the fluffy cat is very, 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 very soft? How do we know? Your teddy bear is, or it is very, very soft by touching your fingers? Yes. Okay, and how do we know that the rock is hard and rough? How do we know? By touching. Yes. So we can feel that whether something is soft, hard, smooth or rough. How do we know that? By touching. Okay? Our skin feels the softness of things or the smoothness of things when we touch something. Then we can feel. Okay. And the next is, okay, now this was the lecture. Now I want to just tell you again, today is Friday and you have to do the certain things which I told you earlier before that. Okay? Inshallah, meet you soon. Take care. Kya rakhiye apna bahut sara. Good students. Allah Hafiz. Take care.